Aries, what's poppin'? Song that's playing for you is All Night Long. You may be in a situation and you up all night long thinking about something. You may be involved with another person and y'all up all night long, whether y'all just be talking or y'all just be fucking. You feel me? It is what it is for you. Look, you may be up all night long stressed because something's changing fast. Something's coming towards you or you're going towards somebody. Listen, I'm moving because my body is kind of whack right now. You're going to have to bear with me. But, yeah. We gotta find out, though. Why are you doing this now? Of all times. Okay, look. First card out. Page of Coins. You're going in a new direction regarding something. You see something as an investment, or it's like you took a chance. You rolled the dice. You was like, fuck it. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go in this direction. I'm going to plant the seed. I'm going to take this action. And you want to communicate something quick. What do you want to communicate is the question. You don't know. And it's like something make you anxious. Something make you nervous. You unsure about it. But you may be taking emotional action. Whether you are receiving emotional action from somebody or you are expressing, you feel me? You may express yourself because you had time to think about something. You sat and processed something and you seen something as a passion or investment worth taking, you feel me? So now you're taking that step in order to manifest something. You're planting a seed, a new seed, something you've never done before, or a person you never talked before, or a job you've never worked at before, you feel me? You're acting a way you've never acted before, thinking a way you never thought before. Oh my god. Come on, bro. Yeah. Second, now you may be dealing with somebody who's emotionally unstable right now, or it's like you're anxious. Like I said, it's like how you feel about something. Your emotions are kind of chaotic. I'm gonna be honest with you, but just like you still taking this action to plant this seed anyway. You at one point you may have not seen something as a good idea. You may have not seen something as a good investment because these are on the split. But it's like now you're almost saying fuck it. It's like you're not gonna let your emotions trick you out of something. You feel me? That or what you're taking action towards is emotionally unstable. It's like, because it's the King Cup. So it's like, how you express your emotions may not be it per se. You may not express your emotions to the best of your abilities regarding something. You feel me? It's like you ain't express emotions in the wild type shit. Song that's playing for your pardon. But you want to do something though. So it's like you see, look, because something make you emotional. It's like something pulls emotions out of you, and it's like you ain't been in tune with your emotions for a while. So it's like you don't know how to express what you want to do. You feel me? Whether it's a job, person, place, thing, idea, habit, hobby, whatever it is, you gotta put your foot in the right shoe for you. But see, it's like something's almost ordained. It's like you don't really get to decide how you feel regarding something. You feel me? It's almost like your soul is reacting to something, and your ego has no say in it. You feel? And whatever that is for you, you could have met a person, and now at one point you were thinking about it. You was holding back from something. You didn't want to take no action because you felt like you were content as far as your emotions were when it comes to expressing your emotions. So you didn't take no action, even though something made you emotional. It's like you were trying to ignore the thought of something in order to maintain how you express your emotions or how you feel. But now something switched in you. Now you want to take this action, though you may not know how to properly express your emotions or just properly express how you feel or how you think regarding something. You know how something makes you feel. So now you're about to be like, pardon me, can I apply for this position? Pardon me, can I talk to you? You feel me? Or this is you talking to yourself because something's over. Something that is not controlled by man. This is spirit type shit. Your soul. It's like your soul's telling you to do something. And you like, okay, I don't know what's the outcome gonna be, because I don't really, this is a little untouched, or this is new to me type shit. So it may make you a little nervous. You may have anxiety regarding this new job. You got the job. You filled out the application, and it's your first day on the job. You feel me? So it's like you nervous. On the outside, you look a little composed. You feel me? You got your shit together. But deep on the inside, you feel me? Your emotional waters is just swinging everywhere, because something make you feel, and it makes you feel. You feel me? And look, in order to do that, you had to stop doing something. Something had to change about you. Whether that's a mentality, you had to take more control of your reality. You had to become the king in your life in order to take this action. You're gonna be alright though. This ain't a bad. Look, what I told you. You had to end something. This ain't a bad one though, Aries. I'ma fuck with you.